Hello guys. Welcome back to my another video. Today I'm gonna tell you 5 tips and tricks to speed up your computer or laptop. Before start the video, please hit the like button. This tips is my personal experiences. So let's try it out. Number 1. Disable startup apps. Your PC may be running slow because of a huge list of startup programs. These apps slow down the boot up process and downgrade the device's performance. Hence, disabling such apps speeds up the performance of the system. Do the following steps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click the Startup tab to check the list of startup programs, right-click and select Disable on programs you only occasionally or ever rarely use. Number 2. Delete unnecessary system resources. The second things you should do if your computer is not running as fast. There are various tools available to help you clean up your files, and one of the most popular is CCleaner. First, download and install CCleaner. Once installed, start the application. This will open on the Health Check tab, which runs an overall system scan for a variety of problems, but I recommend to running a custom clean to get a little more detailing. In the Custom Clean tab, click on Analyze to scan the selected components, followed by Run Cleaner to perform the actual operation. This will scan the drive looking for items such as temporary internet files, memory dumps and prefetch data. Number 3. Defrag hard drive. Defragmentation cleans the hard disk of fragmentation. Fragmentation meaning separating. Also, defragmenting the drives on regular basis improves performance and increases the life of your system. Click this PC. Select the local disk, C, and then right-click and choose Properties. Click the Tools tab, look under Optimize and Defragment Drive and click the Optimize button to open the Optimize Drives tool. Select the drives, one by one, and click on Optimize button for defragmenting each of the hard disk drives. It will take time depending on the size of your disk. Number 4. Disable background apps. Apps running in the background take system resources, heat up your PC and reduce its overall performance. That's why it's better to disable them to speed up your Windows 10 and start them manually whenever you're required. This reduces resource usage and helps speed up your system. Follow these steps to turn off background running apps. Select the Start button, go to Settings, click Privacy, go to the last option in the left panel, Background apps. Switch off the toggles to turn off background apps you don't need or use. Number 5. Disable effects and animations. Another reason for your PC to be running slow can be visual effects and animations that increase the burden on the system resources. In the latest PCs, visual effects and animations may not cause a huge impact on power and speed. However, in older PCs, these do play a role, so turning them off is your best option. Here are the steps to disable visual effects and animations. Right-click on this PC, select Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Under Visual Effects, choose the option Adjust for best performance, or you may also select Custom and uncheck all the checkboxes. Do share with me which among these helped you the most. Also, if you know any more such tips, please comment below. Stay safe and keep smiling.